Hey guys, I'm here with the KITT Replica. Wanted to give you guys an update on the oil slick. But first, just take a look at how far this car has come. We are making huge progress. The fenders and hood and bumper should be back from paint here. Hopefully in the next couple weeks when we get those added. We still have to wire up the fog lights and clean up some wiring under the hood. But as you can see, it's coming along amazing. So let's take a quick walk around. We still have to mount the tires and rims, which we have, just haven't done that yet. There's our clear windshield. We have started the process of putting the carpet in. As you can see, we're still working some of the wrinkles out, and we have it laid out in there. Still have some work to do in there, but it's coming along. Don't mind this red wire, that's temporary for what I'm about to show you. So we come back here and let's take a look at the oil slick. So this is the oil slick kit that we sell at KITT Rocks. It includes the reservoir for your oil, or as we're using, just water, which you could dye black, I suppose, if you wanted to make it look like oil. And then we've got our lines there that run through a solenoid, and that solenoid ensures that whenever you run the oil slick and then stop it, that there's not a siphon and oil keeps dribbling out after you turn it off. So that valve opens when power is applied, and whenever power is cut, the valve closes to prevent the water from going through. And we have our lines run down underneath this carpet, you can't see, obviously, to some sprayers underneath. Let's show you the sprayers here. So right there are the sprayers. There's one there and one on the other side. So let's take a look and see how it works. So as you can see, we still have to adjust the sprayers a little bit. I mean, they're shooting a good, all the way into my garage here, a good 15 feet back from the car, and the pattern's a little staggered. So we'll adjust the sprayers and whatnot and get it a more even flow, but definitely wouldn't want to be behind this car tailgating, or you'll get a squirt. See you guys next time.